Hey guys, good morning. We're with Arnie, Danielle, Richie, myself. We're gonna cook some kalamai today. We decided to walk today to work up our appetite. And here's a cow greeting us on our way. Hey buddy. There's a cute one? Alright.
For you.
Oh, for me, thank you. Very bitter. Pait. Alright. It seems like no matter where you go, there's always a guava tree very nearby. So this is the path we're taking. We just got some guava, and this is where Richie and I played guitar. We played guitar there once, and in the cave over there once. So Arnie and Daniel decided to come with us today. Why did you decide to come today?
I will help to eat.
Help to eat. That's their main job. They're gonna come to eat. You can feel a huge difference from right here, the sun, to right here in the shade. Oh, this is a perfect spot. This is a cool spot too. Look at that. Oh, a big one. There's many over here.
Right, yummy.
Very cool.
Right.
Do you think there's worms in here?
No.
No? Alright. You sure?
Let me see. Oh, big worm.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Here. Yeah.
ah.
Maybe the worm. Here, there's like this little worm. Get them inside.
So do you guys know any tricks about avoiding the worms? Like, can you look at it and tell? I can't.
Maybe also me.
Yeah, it's just,
We need to take a bite.
but take a bite first. Yeah. It doesn't look. Does this one have more worms?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's not a good one.
No worm.
No worms?
Yeah.
How do you know? How do you know?
Promise.
You promise. All right, she promises.
No worm. Yeah, no worm.
No worm? All right. Are you sure? Down here?
I'm deciding the worm.
There's a worm?
Let me see. No worm.
No worm, really?
Yeah.
All right. No worm. That bottom part kind of looks wormy though. One thing you have to be careful about with eating lots of guava is the tubal. And if you don't know what that means, you can ask in the comments and maybe someone will let you know. So make sure you drink lots of water with this. We used to walk through here, but now they're turning it all into like farmland or maybe corn. I'm not sure what they're turning it into. But at least it used to be all grass. So we're preparing the coconuts over here.
Yes.
We have Charlie working on the kud koran.
Coconut.
Coconut, yeah. So we're cooking kalamai today over a fire, and this is all of our first times. So it should be pretty interesting. So Richie's the only one that has had this before, but she never made it. She only got it from the store before. So this should be fun for all of us to see the process of it. To me, this is one of the best parts in the coconut. No one else wants some. They said they get them all the time, so they're letting me have this one. Mmm.
Yummy.
Yummy. Yeah, very good. There's a baby goat over here.
Yesterday.
Yesterday? This goat is 1 day old. Oh, there's two of them.
Let's see if there's milk.
Richie, let's see if there's milk.
Yes, dance. Kick my head.
It was Shira's birthday yesterday, so now the goats share the same birthday. So today we're at Charlie's house, and this is actually all of Richie's cousins and family. Hello. Alright, ako nippon.
Okay, Raka.
Okay, Kara. So we had food coloring, brown sugar, flour, and then the meat of the coconuts. So if you've seen the other videos, we're gonna juice the coconut meat. So we're gonna take all the juice out with the water, and then we're not gonna use the meat. Richie got the fire started. So these are the bowls, right? So later when this is finished, after we cook it, we're gonna eat them out of the old coconut shell. So first the flour, and brown sugar. And last we have food coloring. What is that, like black or purple?
Brown.
Brown, all right.
Looks black.
Now the coconut juice.
Pwede yan sa butang nito. You can add peanut also.
So there's other things you can add. You can add peanuts and kind of, and butter?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. So this needs to be stirred and cooked for around 2 hours, and someone's going to get peanuts right now. We'll add that in a little bit, but we'll update you guys in a little bit. So it's been about a half hour. You can see it's starting to get a little bit more sticky. And we went to the surrounding Sar stores, but we couldn't find any peanuts. So we're gonna have it stay without any peanuts. But if you want to make it on your own, you can add peanuts and maybe some other things. I'm not exactly sure.
In US, what's that?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
In
What's here?
Philippines is tok-tok-tok.
Toot-toot-toot!
Yeah. How about in New Zealand?
New Zealand? What's it like in New Zealand? America is cock-a-doodle-doo!
In Australia?
In Australia?
Mm.
I think it's, I don't know. That's a good question.
What's the sound of
Yeah,
the
everyone
chicken
makes their
there?
chicken sounds in the comments.
Yeah.
But listen to it. It sounds like, next time they do it, it sounds like cock-a-doodle-doo!
For us, it's tok-tok. Also, the frog. What's the sound of a frog?
Ribbit,
It's like rabbit.
ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit. Here is kukak, kukak.
So while that's cooking, I'll just show you around the area. Some nice plants. We have some moringa and some banana stalks, eggplant, and they have a Sari store too. Yeah. What do you have for sale?
Oh.
Hey.
And this is sorry from their dawat. Dawat no? Like it's like savings for everybody. Like that, our neighbor will give you the money you will keep, and then others will keep also the money, and they will put up Sari store from. This is from the neighbor's money.
So that's very interesting. Every 2 months, all the neighbors around here will put in money, and then they draw numbers, and then number 1 gets the money first, and then everyone gets a number, and then the next time, 2 months later, someone else will get all the money. So with that money, it can help with like starting a business like this with the Sari store, or if you need money for something else, you can use it for something else. But every 2 months they do that. That's a really good idea. Richie said she used to do that in school, but she said you have to make sure you have trusted friends, because if someone is first and they receive all the money, then they don't want to give any more money for the next person.
I will pay next time.
Yeah,
and
next
then
time.
You get this next time. So it will ruin the rules.
So yeah, so these things are good ideas, but you just have to kind of trust the people that you're dealing with. They have a nice payag here. Very nice place to relax and hang out. They have some chickens.
Oops. It's not baby.
They're probably teenagers. So this is sikwa. I'm not exactly sure what this is. It looks like a cucumber or zucchini. I'm not exactly sure. If you guys know the name, we think maybe zucchini, but we're not sure. We have a nice big squash over here. That's a good size one. So if you guys remember Tide or Teddy, he's their neighbor over there. And he's the tall guy who smiles and makes the coconut wine or tuba. And he actually has a coconut over here that he's making right there. So while the kalamai is still cooking, we're gonna go explore, see if Teddy's home. I don't think he's home, but he has been making some improvements to his home. Last time we were here, Teddy was buying some materials, and he looks like he has a new roof, a new wall here, and a new area over here. This is all corn. And this is like his resting area. He has another home somewhere else. So this is where he puts most of his corn, because his farm is not too far from here. I love the water bowls for the animals. we're gonna walk with Laika. It's Charlie's daughter, and she's gonna show us where they get the water, and she's gonna give water for the chickens and the other animals. So this is where Laika's family. Oh! This is where they get the water for the chickens and the animals, and then Laika's gonna take us to where they get the water for like the bathing and washing their clothes and things like that. You don't want to mess with the cows. So just to give you an idea where we are, we just left Charlie's house. We walked down here through the person's yard and then through this way. And this is actually where Daisy lives and Janice. Hey, what's up? How are you? Good to see you. What's up, guys? This is the architect to the house and the workers from Raymond and Richie's house. All right, Tara. We'll see you guys later. So this is another well that they go to. If another one has too many people or if it's dried up, this is another option just in case. So if you're familiar with Richie's area, sometimes Richie will come here. If there's no water there or if there's too many people there, sometimes she will come here. But you see there's water running here. So this water is good for drinking, washing, and doing clothes and things like that.
Are you thirsty?
Yeah. Very refreshing. You got one water system going in here, going this way. And then you have another one going this way, down here. And then with this one connected, going to another home. So I'm above here now. And you see that pipe going through here. That's the other end right there. And the water continues this way. They have a really nice view over here. Look at that. Some more guava? Yeah, they eat it if it's ripe or not. At least when they're small like that, there's pretty much no worms. So you're safe from worms if you eat them smaller. But they're just really bitter to me. Payet. So right next to the water, here's some free chili if you want some.
Chili challenge.
Yeah,
Silly.
for you.
Silly girl.
Can you chew it? I didn't think she was gonna do it. Good thing we have some water for you.
Don't do, guys.
Don't do that. Don't try this at home.
But chili, sometimes it's good to eat. Kill bacteria.
Yeah, chili is good for you. It clears off your sinuses and it's good for your body, I believe. All right, so we got our water. We're just gonna walk back now and check on the kalamai.
Oh, serious? Hinog na. Oh, no. Come on. Oh, good choice of cat.
What do we find? These are cherries?
Remember, Nimpas, you're waiting for that?
Yeah, all right.
This one.
Cool, we found some good ones too.
And then you need to roll and make this.
Oh, nice. Ready, Daniel?
Ikuha din yan.
Got him? Tell me when.
Finish.
Please don't fart.
Napa. More.
Oh, more.
Can you jump that?
All right, so Richie says to roll it. Oh, I think I rolled it too much. It's good though. With this type of tree, you gotta be really careful not to climb it because look at these spikes. Like those are no joke. Those tip on those things are really sharp. Wow.
For you, big.
All right, thanks, Daniel. Oh, there's a hole in it.
This one, you will not eat.
Sure. We just finished eating some cherries. Now they're finding some more guava. If you get hungry around here, all you gotta do is take a walk through the woods and you'll be set for a little snack. Delicious. Thanks, bro.
This.
You want the? All right. Hey! I love Daniel's presents. So as we were walking by, Jackie, one of the neighbors, gave us some banana Q.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jackie. Richie's getting some plates. Smart idea. Thank you, Jackie. Richie's starting with the Christmas decorations.
Dustin.
Do you know what a mistletoe is?
Huh?
Do you know what a mistletoe is?
No.
Come stand right here.
And then?
If you stand underneath the mistletoe, you're supposed to kiss.
Really?
It's starting to get really thick now.
Wanna try?
Yeah, sure. That's really thick.
Yeah.
Wow.
Super heavy.
Yeah. You really need 2 hands to do this. Check out their gutter system. It's a banana trunk, and it goes along here. The water will go in and fall into this bucket. All right, so it's finished. All right, so here's number 1. That's the finished product right there. Looks delicious. So I haven't seen this anywhere, but Richie said in Bohol, they'll sell you like this just at a sari-sari store for like around 200 pesos. All right, cool.
Kalamay in Bohol.
Kalamay in Bohol.
So, for example, you will go to Bohol. Many people will say, "Oh, bring kalamay for me," because this is from Bohol or known in Bohol.
Okay, okay. All right, the calamai is finished. That looks delicious. You can eat it any way you want. If you don't want to use bread, you can just eat it right out of the coconut bowl.
Tinidor. Uy. Rain.
Oh, it's gonna rain.
It's coming.
Una, nawaluyo ninyo.
You can feel the rain coming in. It's gonna start raining any second.
Ay, maligo ko din.
We're in a good spot at least. You can feel the breeze starting to come through.
Oh my God.
Oh. So this is my first time trying calamai.
Lamay Bohol.
Calamai Bohol.
May Bohol din eh.
Very good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you didn't know how to make calamai, hopefully you do now. It's a very tasty treat. We're just going to enjoy it, and I think it's going to start to rain now. So you guys take care and see you guys tomorrow.
Lame.
Lamet!
Harap.
This is perfect transportation. We have a whole coconut here. Richie and Charlie just taped it up. Now we can take this home and eat it later.
Yeah.
So this is the squash that we saw earlier. Charlie's going to cut it up. Yeah, now we have some squash, some chilies, some sequoia, and then the coconut. We can eat that for later. And then some okra.
Okay,
Okay, raw.